Let's continue with our practice problem number 19. A random variable x takes values 0, 1, and 2 with probabilities 0.25, 0.5, 0.25, respectively. Our given data, we have x values, this x distribution, and then we have 0, 1, and 2. Probability of 0 is 0.25. The probability of 1, 0.5. The probability of 2, 0.25. We are required to determine E, variance, and the sigma. So our solution, E is equals to 0 times 0.25 plus 1 times zero point 0.5 plus 2 times 0.25. The answer is 1.0. Let us determine now the E of x squared. You only need to square the values of x. So 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, and 2 squared is 4. So ex squared is equal to 0 plus 1 times zero point 0.5 plus 4 times 0.25. The answer is 0.5. Our variance is, the formula to get variance is ex squared minus e squared. And the answer is 0.5. Our sigma is the square root of that value of variance, which is 0.5. The answer is 0.707. So the final answers, we have E is equal to 1.0, variance equals to 0.25, the standard deviation sigma is approximately 0.707. Practice problem number 20. A store has 40% chance of selling one laptop, 35% chance of selling two laptops, 20% chance of selling three laptops, and 5% chance of selling four laptops in a day. Let X be the number of laptops sold. So we have a store sales distribution, 1 for zero point 0.4, and then 2 for zero point 0.3, and then 3 for zero point 0.2, and then 4 laptops, and probability of 5%. So let X be the number of laptops sold in a day. So our required is E, the variance, and the sigma. So obtain now the value of E, and using the data that we have, the answer is 1.9. And to determine the EX squared now the values of 1, 2, and 3, and then multiply by its corresponding probability, your answer is 4.4. And for the variance, use the formula EX squared minus E squared, substituting the given data, the calculated values, you have 0.79. And for the sigma, that's square root of the variance, which is 0.79. The answer is 0.889. So our final answer, E is 1.9, variance is 0.79, sigma is 0.889. Let's proceed to the MCQ of our quarter 3 data and probability lesson number 18, measuring uncertainty, expected value, variance, standard deviation of discrete random variable. Number 1. The expected value of discrete random variable is also known as its A. Mode, B. Mean, C. Median, D. Range. MCQ number 2. Which of the following is the correct formula for the expected value E of x. So A, summation of xi. B, summation of p times xi. C, summation of xi times p of the xi. D, summation of xi minus mu squared. Number 3. If a pair die is rolled, the expected value of the outcome is A, 2.5, B, 3, C, 3.5, D, 4.5. Number 4. The variance of discrete random variable x is given by A, E of x, B, E of x minus mu squared, C, E x squared, D, square root of EX. Number 5. The standard deviation of random variables is the square of the variance. Letter B, square root of the variance. Letter C, twice the variance. Letter D, reciprocal of the variance. MCQ number 6. Which of the following random variables is discrete? A, number of defective bulbs in a box. Letter B, temperature of a city at noon. Letter C, height of a student. D, weight of a bag of rice. MCQ number 7. The variance measures A, central tendency. B, the spread of the data. C, the shape of distribution. D, the probability of outcomes. MCQ number 8. If the probability distribution of X is given, the sum of all probabilities must be A, less than 1, B, equal to 1, C, greater than 1, D, equal to 0. Number 9. A random variable x has EX10 and variance x equal to 4. The standard deviation is A, 1, B, 2, C, 4, D, 16. MCQ number 10. If x represents the number of heads in tossing a coin twice, the expected value of x is A, 0.5, B, 1, C, 1.5, letter D, 2.0. MCQ number 11. Which symbol usually denotes variance? A, U squared, B, sigma squared, C, sigma, D, E of x. MCQ number 12. The mean of a probability distribution can be interpreted as the most frequent observation, the long-run average value of the variable, C, the middle observation, D, the difference between maximum and minimum. MCQ number 13. A die is rolled. The variance of the outcome is closest to A, 2.92, B, 3.5, C, 6, D, 12. MCQ number 14. If a discrete random variable can take values of 2, 4, 6, with equal probabilities, its expected value is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, D is equal to 6. MCQ number 15. Which of the following is not a property of probability distributions? Letter A, each probability is between 0 and 1. Letter B, the probabilities add up to 1. Letter C, expected value must be 0. Letter D, the values of random variables can be listed. Number 16, for Bernoulli random variable with success probability P, the variance is A is equal to P, B is equals to 1 minus P, C is equals to P times 1 minus P. Letter D, the square root of P times 1 minus P. Number 17. The standard deviation is prepared over variance because letter A, it is easier to calculate, B, it is in the same unit as the data, C, it is always larger, D, it ignores probabilities. MCQ number 18. A probability distribution table lists only possible values of the random variable x. Letter B, only probabilities of the outcome. Letter C, values of the variable and their probabilities. Letter D, the frequency of each outcome. MCQ number 19. Which of the following is an example of finding expected value in real life? Letter A, average rainfall in a city. Letter B, predicting average winnings in a lottery game. Letter C, measuring a person's height. And then letter D, calculating the perimeter of the rectangle. MCQ number 20. The square root of variance is called A, mean. Letter B, expected value. C, standard deviation. And D, the range. And then the answer key for our quarter 3 lesson Roman numeral number 9, measuring uncertainty, expected value, variance, and standard deviation of discrete random variables. For numbers 1 to 5, those are the answers. Numbers 6 to 10. Those are the answers. Numbers 11 to 15. Numbers 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always, Walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road where curiosity meets discovery. Bye bye. See you in our next lesson.